Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you what it's like to be a special forces. And I just died. I'm trying to do tryout so I don't have to be special forces. So yeah. So being a special forces is, well, it's kind of the same as being a trooper. It's practically the same as being a trooper. It's the same process, you just do different stuff. And yeah, but practically you can boss like higher ranks because you're not actually a trooper. So hey, what's here? What are you? What are you? Post. Post. One and one. It doesn't matter, Corp. It doesn't warning. Warning one. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So, practically, what that guy was doing is, hold on, he was like, oh, you can't boss me, and stuff. Oh, yeah, he can't boss me. So the guy, he was like, being all like, you all can't boss me, or cause you're a specialist. But if you're a special forces, you can boss high ranks. Well, only one rank higher than you. So I could technically boss him. Banana. Peely! Peely! Oh, oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, yeah. He was being an idiot and stuff. So, yeah. Let's see if there's anyone in jail. Yeah. No. I have to check my Discord to see if... No, nothing on the equipment. Mm, nothing like a Christmas. So earlier today, I tried to do tryouts, but I failed, which makes me bad, bad, bad. It makes me bad at tryout. I don't really think he knows what this is. So yeah, come close. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Bam! You just got done like ma'am. I've got a lightsaber. You. I've got a lightsaber. I've got a lightsaber, Caddy. And you need to go die in a pot of gold. Yeah! Yippee! It's me, an idiot. I'm not an idiot. La 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 la. I'm a child. And I'm very bad at aim. Boss! Press now. Press now. I'm a threat. I'm a threat to you. Going out. Going out. Good. I got the last of it for you. Kayla, I told you not to interrupt me.